Hey, Opesh Singh here, दोस्तों. Friends, I am with my friend Mr. Siren, Mr. David from Togo, Mr. Siren from both places, Togo and Benin, and we all are here in Benin. दोस्तों हम लोगों को हेल्प करते हैं उनका बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने में बहुत सारी डिफरेंट कंट्रीज में, और आपको यहाँ हमारी बहुत सारी अच्छी टीम देखने को मिलेगी. एज मिस्टर बालाजी इज हियर, ही इज वन ऑफ आवर गुड फ्रेंड.
Hello. How are you doing?
Miss Megha, she is here, my partner.
Hello.
And Mr. David, our chairman. Mr. Siren, our good friend, and he is become a next MP. And as well as Mr. Muni Babu.
Hello.
He is one of my good client. So friends, we are here to help lot of people to start their profitable business in this best African continent. And this is right time to invest in this country and make millions. We all are here to help you guys. Can you tell something to people? They come to your country and how you help them to grow?
I think what I can say now, only God can show us the way. What I can say, what you are doing now is to show the best in Africa, in this country, for the investment. You need a good address. Mr. Opesh, to come to us is the better. I think we are already beginning now, and we are ready to work. So we are waiting for you in Africa. We are happy. We will be very happy to receive you, to show you what the best in Africa, what is best in this country, in Togo, in Benin here, how to do the business, how to do the money. We are ready. Thank you.
Mr. David, you can also say about Togo, your country.
Thank you very much, Mr. Opesh. Thank you, everybody here. Thank you, all our viewers, people. We think that to invest, you need good connection.
Yes, definitely.
And we are there. We have connection. We are also good connection. So we invite you, wherever you are, to come in Togo, to come in Benin, with your goods, with your idea. You are here to help you. Because never connection, no money. Need connection. We have a connection. We can help you to have your money. So come in Benin, come in Togo, and we see how we can increase your business. Thank you very much. We're waiting for you. Thank you.
Friends, as Mr. David says, contacts are contracts. So come soon, we are here to help you.